So this is Old Landsea, now Riswell Homes. This is the Sterling floor plan. So this property is the last property that they have that is incorporating builder incentives. So the builder incentives is a fixed 4.99% interest rate and $10,000 towards your closing costs. It's pretty. So there is no driveway parking. You have public guest parking, and then you have your garage. But there is no driveway. And there's an example of what the driveways look like. It's not large enough for a car. This builder has a total of 3 homes available. 2 of the 3 are the models, and then the models are considered a pre-existing home. So they do not get any of the incentives. This is the last home that this builder has with the incentives. Pretty view though. Huge closet. Yeesh.